Number 1, the big one on the board. Eliza, is in Erie. Happy birthday, big girl.
All right, we got Lucas Meyer celebrating birthday number 3 this year. Lucas is in Sarcoxie, Missouri, with love coming from the family.
Good looking hat right there. I love that. Sawyer Studebaker is celebrating his 5th birthday. Sawyer, a happy birthday to you in Columbus.
That's a cute picture there. All right, and we got Sutton.
Oh wait, I didn't see the. I forgot. Sutton. I did not forget you. I did not forget you because a few weeks ago, little sis right there, she had her birthday. That is Sutton, and so Sutton and Sawyer. It's a busy beginning of the year for the Studebaker family. That is for sure. And while Sawyer turns 5 today, Sutton, she just turned 3.
Cuties there. Let's see, Callan Harp celebrating birthday number 6 this year. Callan is in Miami, Oklahoma.
Kind of a cool spelling right here for Kennedy Oran's first name. Look at that. I like that. Kennedy, I want you to have a great day. She is in Girard.
And in Chanute, Raymond Love celebrating birthday number 13 this year. Hope it's a great one, Raymond.
Break out the driver's license. Ty Nutter, he's celebrating his 16th birthday. Ty, you be safe out there and have a great one in Fort Scott.
All right, Debbie Dudley turning the big 6-0 this year. Debbie celebrating in Moran.
We've got a 70th birthday for Miss Dorothy Solko. Dorothy, she celebrates in Girard.
All right, and Rita Kane turning 75 years old this year. Miss Rita, happy birthday to you out in Parsons.
Who that is? It says here, I am given show notes on my birthday list. I'm given show notes indicating that this person is a morning show anchor.
Who could that be?
That may have slipped by if I was not properly informed about that. You know how much we love you. I hope you know how much we love you. You are the best. You're the reason I came back. You know that.
Aww, thank you.
What are our birthday plans?
I'm going to have a party tonight out at my restaurant. Yeah.
All right. That's what I'm talking about.
Starts at 8 o'clock. Everyone's invited. Hey, it's my birthday. I can give myself
You can do whatever you want. You know, you're right.
I never do it.
Birthday week.
Shout out on my birthday.
Birthday week, birthday party tonight. I'm going to break it down.
Y'all invited.
Are you going to cut a rug?
Yeah, I think so. I love to swing dance. So if you know how to swing dance, I will dance with you tonight.
Tanya's going to swing dance on her birthday. Now I got to get a photog there.
Right?
I know. I know where our lead story is going to be tomorrow.
But just so you know, it starts at 8, but I do have to go to bed early so I can be here tomorrow morning.
That's a good point.
So it won't be a late night.
Sleep schmeep. We did that story earlier about in Health Watch. You don't need it. Wasn't that what the story was? Sleep's overrated.
It helps you lose weight.
Oh, I thought it was the opposite.
No, if you sleep the appropriate amount.
We don't need it.
We know he pays attention.
Happy birthday, babe. No, I want you to have a great birthday day and a great birthday night as well. And like I said, folks, she's serious about that swing dancing. That will happen tonight. Michael Jarman, a happy birthday in Joplin. Gene Nelson with a birthday in Columbus. And PJ and Kim Strukel celebrating 20 years now. Congratulations to PJ and Kim as they celebrate 2 decades in Quapaw. A happy anniversary and happy birthday to everybody, especially one T-Bach. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Just because it's your birthday does not mean you get out of giving everybody a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, because you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club just like me. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. I don't know if I'm eligible though. Right? Once you do sign up, you can get special deals from local businesses and be eligible for a prize. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
I'm just gonna pretend that you are a member of the birthday. You're a member of the Birthday Club today, my friend.
I am.
You can't escape that. All right, coming up, we continue.